guys, welcome to this new tutorial. My name is Eric Patterson. Today I will show you how to manage user in Jenkins. So this slide that we're talking about. Now to add a user in Jenkins, or to add, delete, update, or manage a user in Jenkins, you need to go to the user console. So you have to go to the Jenkins administration, which is here under manage Jenkins. You go to user. Here, you have a default user, which is the admin user, which I am here. This is the admin user here. You can create a new user. So let's start by, first of all, creating a new user. You can click here to create a user. And let's give that user, for example, the name Joe. So we can call him Joe. And let's give him a simple password. Let's put like admin as his password. Admin one more time. Let's call him for example, Joe DevOps. Now we can give him an email as Joe at DevOps Easy Learning. If we create here, as you guys can see, we have created the user called Joe here. So if I take, for example, another console to try to log in, I'll be able to log in as Joe. So let's probably log out here. If I come here, say Joe with the password admin, I click. As you guys can see now, I am now logging as the user Joe. So that is how you can create a user in Jenkins. So let's log out. I'll return to the default user, which is admin. If we go back to manage Jenkins, users, if I click on Joe, for example, either I click here on Joe or click here on Joe, that's everything. I can update some stuff on Joe. For example, that's Joe full name, which I can update. I can put a description on Joe. I can say, for example, belong to. I can say Joe, for example, is a front-end developer. Right? I can say Joe is a front-end developer. This is an API token here. That's Joe. Joe will be able to generate an API token for some CI/CD job. We'll see that in the next video. So this is the Joe email here, which I can update as well here. And if we go down here, these are notification for Joe and the password for Joe. I can update the password for Joe as well. And Joe can generate an SSH key and place it here as well, right? We can put the Slack UID, see that user token ID for Joe. This is for we want to use that in the CI/CD. And also we can update the time zone also for Joe. So depending on probability on the location that Joe lives. So you can either here like check, the status, the bills, and the view that Joe had, Joe can see, and you can also delete the user Joe here. So if I come here, I hit delete, that will delete the user Joe. Therefore, Joe will not be able to log in. If I log out here and type here Joe, I try to log in with the admin, Jenkins will claim that he doesn't know Joe. That's why that just means that the user Joe has been deleted. So that's how you manage user in Jenkins. Then there will be another video that I will talk about how to restrict what Joe can do and what he can do. So thank you.